Hey, move the car up. What are you doing there, sir? You okay? Did you get them people?
Yeah, I let her know.
Come on over here, sir.
Same 2 I didn't copy what you said.
Are you okay? What's going on?
Advising the cars to leave room for the fire trucks.
Sir, stop. Go over there by that car.
Sounds like there are about 13 cars
Sir.
going.
Hey, are you high? Are you drunk? You okay? What?
It's a car.
10224 Unity. There's a car on fire in the backyard. I got it.
Oh,
Yeah, don't go back there. It's 10224 Unity.
Sir!
Hey, hey, sir! Sir!
Why don't you step over this way?
What?
Why don't you come over here so you don't get injured, please?
Your car's on fire!
Huh?
Your car's on fire!
Sure, I will. I'm just creating the cab for it now. Oh my god.
Hey, sir! Okay, radio. We also have a male in the backyard with the car. I don't know if he's high or intoxicated, but he won't come away from the car, and I don't want to go any closer to the car.
Send me their number, please.
And then, I don't know, it looks like he ran into the house, or it looks like he ran the car into the house. It's right up against the house.
Hey, I'm gonna tell these neighbors to get out.
Yeah, get those neighbors.
Okay, I copy. And can all the cars who are going go again? I don't have all that.
Just turn around.
Sir, come here.
Sam 24, all cars responding down there. Leave room for the fire trucks.
Hey, why don't you get out of your house? This is on fire for some reason.
It's on fire?
The neighbor's house is on fire.
56, I'm close. Send me their numbers.
Hey, move the car up. What are you doing there, sir? You okay? Did you get them people?
Yeah, I let her know.
Come on over here, sir.
Same 2 I didn't copy what you said.
Are you okay? What's going on?
Advising the cars to leave room for the fire trucks.
Sir, stop. Go over there by that car.
Sounds like there are about 13 cars
Sir.
going.
Hey, are you high? Are you drunk? You okay? What? What's going on?
The other house is catching.
Shit.
You been drinking? Here, come on over here. Sir. Sir. Here, come on. Back up over that way. No, sir. Get over here by this car. Come here. I got time for this. Hey, move the car up. Get this guy in this car. I don't know what his deal is. You got anything on you? Huh? You got anything on you? Needles?
It's the wall.
Whoop. You diabetic or anything? Here, can you throw them in your car for a minute?
Yeah.
Here, have a seat.
Pretty good.
It's the
Have a
tires
seat.
and stuff. Have a seat. Barney 27. Do you have EMS come down here too? Hey, you're gonna have to block off both streets. Probably one at 100th and one at West Boulevard.
Alright. Car, let's all turn around and block at 100. Tom 67, put me here.
Okay.
Get your head lower.
Barney 27. The neighbor says there's an old woman that does live in this house.
Go try that front door. Who else is in the house? Sir, who else is in that house? Oops. You got him?
Cars only on Unity. Fire did not have this call, so they are on the way.
Who lives in that house?
Just come block Unity.
Who's in that house? Anybody?
It's by 7 numbers. Party 2-4, we're clear with this. We'll go with this
Huh?
party 2-7.
Kick that door. Kick that door.
Go, go, go. Copy.
Does an old woman live in this house?
Can we break this window?
Yes.
Yeah, break it, just break it.
You have a time?
No, I don't have one on me.
Watch out.
All right. Damn, man.
She's not there?
No, keep going. She said the wife's.
There's only one on
You okay?
Before go again.
The house is on fire too, guys.
Is it?
Yeah. This is
You
a...
can send us 2-7 numbers for phone up.
This is basic.
Police!
Signature 3 around.
Yeah, I don't know if anybody's in there. We didn't check everything but the basement. You can't get to the basement because it's on fire.
The whole basement's on fire?
Well, you can't get through. Don't do it.
Oh, that house is...
Is anybody in here?
No, we got them out
Where's
already.
that?
What's that?
CM22 to radio. Is fire on scene yet?
No.
No.
Fire's not on scene. We got into the house. We checked the first, second floor. We can't get in the basement. It's on fire. Move your cars.
Hey, back up. Everybody start going out.
Yeah, copy.
No, they got out.
Is everyone okay in there?
CM23 radio.
can't get
What do you
in
got going
the
on?
My knife's up there.
Well, looks like it started off as just a vehicle on fire, but I believe it might have hit that building. I'm not exactly sure. Now the building's on fire. 427. It was a call.
The side one. Hey, your guy went in there. Oh, never mind. How did you guys see this?
Huh?
Driving down the street.
What'd you say?
What the upstairs look like? You guys see all
It's
the
empty. I couldn't see in the cubby holes, but they're cubby holes.
Who's our road with?
Me. Oh, he's with Fred right now. So we were on the other side.
Sorry.
We were waiting for a car to move because we knew that the plates were expired. But we started smelling something burn.
Yeah.
And we started looking around. We didn't see anything. Some woman walked up on us, drove up on us. She's like, "Hey, there's something on fire over there." So we're like, "All right, let's go check it out." Turn around. Some woman with the dog is waving us down. She's like, "There's something on fire in the next street over." So we look up and see all the smoke, and we're like, "All right, let's go."
Oh, wow.
As soon as we get here, we seen the car on fire.
Where you at, Dave? I didn't see what's Can't believe that other one was a cat.
I was surprised. I thought it was catching and making everyone get out the house. I don't remember who all went in, but at the time we came out, the upstairs was all flooded with smoke. It was hot as hell up there.
Yeah. House used to be green.
My grandma's house used to be green.
Rip that study. So that guy, the arson then,
He like lost it. There's something wrong with him.
what was he saying?
No, he's either high or drunk.
You're allowed to catch her.
High, drunk, or mental.
Something. You can't just burn a. Say it again. What? Sorry, he just lost it.
He was either high, drunk, or mental.
What was he saying?
He wasn't saying much. We kept telling him, come over here, there's the car's on fire. He wouldn't, he kept walking away. Finally, he came to us and he just kept going like this towards Robles. Robles say, hey, hold on a minute. So when the second car pulled up, we put him in their car.
Where you at? 6 right now. Go ahead. 2677 for Denver.
Holy.
They got her up here with me.
Wow. Is that plate burnt to a crisp? Yeah.
It was a full edge.
Yeah, it's,
Can you see the bin?
At all?
it was a 4 day. And it was in perfect condition. Yeah, perfect condition.
Wow.
Came on the garage.
I mean, there's a camera up there, but I don't know what to say.
That's what cameras on the side too. Lisa's here, I guess. The home.
Lisa's here?
His wife, yeah. Lisa's somewhere, I don't know.